In addition to a newsreader, Inoreader is a powerful read later tool. Imagine you're browsing your newsfeed and come across an article you can't read right now. Just click the Read Later button to save it for later. You'll find all your saved items in the Saved section in your tab bar. You can also save articles while browsing outside Inoreader. Use our browser extension to save any web page directly to your account. And if you have a link you want to keep, simply paste the URL inside Inoreader to add it to your saved items. All Read Later articles and saved web pages are downloaded for offline reading. The Read Later section has a distinct layout with estimated reading times, progress tracking, and clear article metadata. Use contextual search to quickly find saved articles. Open the menu on the right to manage them, or add them to your listening queue. Once you're done reading, you can remove an article by clicking the Read Later button again, or move it to the archive. The archive is your place for articles you finished but still want to keep for future reference. Keep reading everything you want to read in one place by saving it to Inoreader. Come back anytime, pick up where you left off, and keep your reading list organized with minimal effort.